Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves. This guide will help you navigate the exciting world of piracy, whether you prefer sailing on Steam or Xbox. We'll cover everything from understanding cross-platform play to essential tips for new adventurers. Get ready to hoist your sails and embark on thrilling voyages across the open seas. It's time to discover the pirate's life. One of the best features of Sea of Thieves is its seamless cross-platform play. This means you can team up with friends regardless of whether they are on Steam or Xbox. All your hard-earned progress, including your pirate's appearance, ship customizations, and gold, is linked to your Xbox account. So, you can switch between platforms and continue your adventure without missing a beat, ensuring a truly connected experience. When deciding between Steam and Xbox, consider a few key factors. Both platforms deliver the full, immersive Sea of Thieves experience. Your choice might depend on where your friends play or your preferred gaming setup. Remember, if you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you can access the game on both your Xbox console and a Windows PC, offering great flexibility for your pirate journey. To truly master the pirate life, forming a crew is highly recommended. Communication and teamwork are crucial for success in battles and treasure hunts. Learn to manage your ship's sails, anchor, and cannons effectively. Embark on various voyages offered by the trading companies to earn valuable gold and boost your reputation. There are 5 main trading companies, each offering unique challenges and rewards for your pirate crew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.